Hello again, everyone, and welcome to MAC 1147, better known as Pre-Calculus. My name again is Lucas Everham. I'm going to be your instructor for this semester. Now, what I'd like to start every week with, maybe I'll keep up with this, maybe not, we'll have to see, is a brief rundown of what we're going to be looking at this week, as well as what we're going to need to get done for the week. So, first, the two sections that we're going to be looking at in our book here are sections 8.1 and 8.2. Yeah, we're jumping in chapter 8, which is a little bit weird, but it'll make a bit of sense in a couple months, I guess. It's kind of an odd topic to include in this class, but it's important that you learn some of this stuff, so we're doing it now. What we're looking at here is work with matrices, where in 8.1 we're looking at using matrices, specifically augmented matrices, to solve systems of linear equations, where we're going to be seeing this in terms of two main processes that we're going to build to: Gaussian elimination and Gauss-Jordan elimination, more of the former than the latter, but either will get us to what we need depending on the types of algebra that we want to do. And then in 8.2, we're going to talk about more stuff with how these solutions can, in a sense, go wrong. That is to say, we're going to look at when these systems either don't give us any solutions, as well as when they give us an infinite class of solutions, along with a quick bit on applications for these types of problems. Meanwhile, for this week, what we're going to have to get done is a worksheet. Your first worksheet for the week should be up and available soon, if not already by the time you watch this. It's always hard to tell when I'm recording stuff who's going to watch it when, but that's our first thing for this week. From there, we have a couple of homework assignments, one for each of our two sections here, 8.1 and 8.2, that will be due next week. There's another assignment in there called Getting Started with Webassign. It's an extra credit assignment. You got a little, Webassign, excuse me. That should be my lab, but if it says Webassign, I'll have to fix that. Anyway, you have that assignment in there. It's a quick bit of extra credit that you can get to boost your grade, but it's not due for a little while. And then beyond that, we also have a pre-assessment for next week. That's going to be due next Monday. And the big thing that you absolutely must get done is that attendance verification assessment, the syllabus quiz. It should take you no more than a minute to figure that one out, even if you haven't read the syllabus. Should be kind of a dead giveaway what I'm looking for there. Also, make sure that you spend some time getting familiar with the setup here with our Canvas page and go through what we've got to get yourself set up, both in here and with my lab. It's important you get into that stuff as quick as possible. But anyway, that's enough setup. Now it's time for me to get into our actual material, starting with section 8.1, which I will see you and talk about in the next video.